Please be sure to give us a like and subscribe to our channel.
The Water Tech Volt FX-8Li is a battery-powered rechargeable vacuum used for cleaning both your swimming pool and your spa. Included with the vacuum is an instruction manual, vacuum head, charging cord, and a vacuum attachment for those harder-to-reach corners and crevices. Also included are two different filter bag types: the all-purpose filter bag used for larger debris, like leaves or mulch, and the extreme multi-layer filter bag used for small particles like sand and dirt. Charging the FX-8Li is simple. Plug one end of the cord into a regular GCI outlet, and on the other end, align the white arrows on the plug in the vacuum. Firmly connect, making sure that they are aligned. If this is connected properly, you will see the light on the charger at the wall turn to red as it begins to charge, and turn green when fully charged, taking around 4 hours to do so. The FX-8Li will run up to 60 minutes on one full charge. Assembly of the FX-8Li is very easy. Select the filter bag that you are wanting to use and slide it into the front of the vacuum with the plastic ring end facing out. Next, attach the nose cap by sliding it over the front of the vacuum, making sure to align it correctly with the grooved plastic tabs on the exterior of the vacuum housing. Then pull back on the fastening handle to lock the nose cap in place. Take the vacuum head and slide it onto the other end of the nose cap. Next, attach the pool vacuum to your pool pole underneath so that the tab depresses, then clips through the pole, securing the vacuum firmly to it. The FX-8Li has a very easy on-off switch located within the charging port. Press to turn the vacuum on before cleaning starts, and off again when stopping. Once you are done cleaning, remove it from the pool or spa, disconnecting the pole in the process. It's also important to turn the vacuum with the head right side up to let excess pool water drain back into the pool. At this point, you can remove the vacuum head and undo the nose cap to access the filter for easy debris removal and filter cleaning. As previously mentioned, included with the FX-8Li is this unique vacuum attachment allowing you to access those hard-to-reach places that the vacuum wouldn't normally be able to hit, like the corners of steps or sun shelves. To use this attachment, make sure that the filter is in place and the nose cap is fastened on again. At this point, you can attach the tubing and submerge the vacuum without using the pole. You now have a way to do spot cleaning and reach those places in your pool that may be tough when using the full-size vac head. After your spot cleaning is finished, make sure you turn the vacuum off and drain the excess water from the vacuum, as well as from the other end of the tubing. The Volt FX-8Li from Water Tech comes with a 2-year warranty, is completely independent from pool filtration systems, and ready to clean in no time at all. Visit our website at the link in the description below to find out more and to purchase.
Thanks for watching.